Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. When you have a house full of pets, having a machine washable rug is the best decision you could make. And this one from Tiveney is so beautiful. I am completely in love with this area rug. I really think that this is the perfect little accent rug that you could have. It is not only machine washable, but it's reversible. So you can choose to have a black forward or a white forward rug. And this rug is so great because it can go in a variety of places. It's perfect for indoor use, but also is able to be used outdoors as well. It's 100% cotton, really great thin rug. So it's so easy to keep clean. So whether you're using this for an entryway or putting it in a bedroom, I personally have it in my laundry room. It's the perfect size rug to fit right in front of my washer and dryer. So I have a nice clean space if my clean clothes fall on the floor. And if you accidentally spill something or your pets make a mess on the carpet, it is so easy to just toss in the washing machine and it will come out perfectly clean. I love this rug from Tiveney. I think it is a great little accent rug and perfect for any home. And that is my point of view.